wanted to share with you a document that helped me a lot, especially in the beginning when I'm trying to organize my time and map out my days. Like I said earlier, and I say very often, is we're entrepreneurs at this point. We get paid based on results. Like we got to get it out of our heads that just because we show up to a job, we show up to a job, we work, we trade some time for money, then we collect a check. That's not how this is going to work anymore. And I'm not going to lie to you and tell you it's going to be easy and tell you, you can kind of go, do this here a little bit and whatever else and collect a check. We need to understand that we get paid based on results. That is 100% how this works. Results equal paychecks. They're very big paychecks. It's lucrative. It's fun. They can add up. But getting to that point, you gotta put the systems in place and the disciplines to get there. So I wanted to share this time tracker, and it's available to download right underneath this video. But it's so easy for us to get caught up in being busy that we forget that we need to be result oriented. So the way I broke this down and the way I've done it before is it starts at 4 a.m. I'm not a 4 a.m. riser. I'll never pretend to be. I don't do it. I will wake up early sometimes, but like typically I start my days at like 7 or 8. But I started at 4 for whatever. But it's slotted in 15-minute increments. So we can document what we're doing throughout the day. So if we're not getting the results we want, or, if we just need to do a better job of calendar blocking or whatever, we can keep track of what we've done and look back the day before and say, oh man, I really got too busy here in this area when I didn't need to. I could have delegated this, or I shouldn't have spent as much time as this, or whatever it looked like. But I want you to start really understanding where your time goes and what you're spending the most time doing. Like at the end of the night, I hear all the time people work full-time W-2s. They don't have time to do real estate. They don't know what to do, this and that. But then those same people will be the ones that are like, have you seen the latest Vampire Diaries? Have you seen the newest episodes of blah, blah, blah? I'm like, yeah, but you just told me you're too busy to do anything. And you just watch like 2.5 hours of TV every night. Like, are you too busy to do anything, or do you just not find this change that you want to make that important, right? But something visual we can look at, download it, keep it with your task tracker, keep it with your clipboard, and just look at where you're spending your time and double down on the activities that are the highest ROI, and then maybe delegate the other ones to somebody else, whether they're VAs or people that can have a little bit more time. So this is the task tracker. Use it. It's an incredible tool. Very, very easy to use. Just write down whatever you've been doing in 15-minute blocks and look back, do an end of the week review, and just use it. It's really opens up everything so you can get a great idea of where you're spending your time.